Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening Safari and loading the exact page you want saved, because bookmarks capture the current URL and metadata. Make sure your phone is unlocked and running a recent iOS release so features behave predictably. Once the page finishes loading, decide whether you want a Safari bookmark versus a home screen icon. Each has different access and appearance. Tap the Share button now. This single action opens the menu, where you create both standard bookmarks and home screen shortcuts. After tapping Share, select Add Bookmark when you want the page in Safari's bookmarks list. This keeps it inside the browser and syncs via iCloud if enabled. You can edit the title to something memorable and pick the folder, Favorites, Bookmarks Bar, or a custom folder, so you can find it quickly. If you prefer an app-like shortcut, pick Add to Home Screen instead. That creates an icon on your home screen that opens the page directly in Safari. Once saved, open Safari's Bookmarks menu or check your home screen to confirm the new entry. Tap it to verify it opens the intended page. If the bookmark doesn't appear across devices, make sure iCloud Safari syncing is enabled in Settings and that you're signed into the same Apple ID. If the saved link loads an old or blank page, reload the original page and save again or clear Safari's cache. These steps fix most incorrect URL issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.